Sanyo village is home to Tibet's first poverty alleviation and relocation project. Sitting beside Lhasa River, the project broke ground in March 2016, and all villagers were settled by July 5th the same year. Once piled high with heaps of stones, the Lhasa-Shagats railway line is now a place of hope, with 184 homes and 712 people. By relying on the convenient geographical location, villagers are gradually lifting themselves out of poverty by developing local industries. Auntie Nima moved here from Semai, a high-altitude mountain village, her life made difficult and poverty-stricken by poor transport and lack of accessibility into and out of the area. But now, Auntie Nima lives in a 144 square metre, two-storey townhouse. All family members have their own jobs, and her daughter alone earns 5,000 yuan per month. Houses and buildings in Sanyo village are thoughtfully designed with local characteristics and national style, and are fully equipped with necessary facilities. Various supporting projects have continued to help people live better lives, which explains the name Sanyo. Literally, 3 have, namely, to have a home, to have an industry, and to have health.